welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. To go with our winter theme, we're learning all about snow and ice this January. So to go with our winter theme, we are creating snowflakes of our own. These beautiful crystallized snowflakes, and they are as easy as 1, 2, 3. You make them at home with a couple simple supplies. So we're gonna get going right now. Let's jump in. So here's what we need. We need some pipe cleaners, a bowl. It can be a large bowl, a large mason jar. This is a plastic container, a bamboo skewer of some kind, or even a stick, some twine, scissors, and borax. A lot of people already have borax at home and pipe cleaners. So it's a very simple and easy craft you can do at home with your kiddos, any age, and it's science-based. So I'm using it in my classroom as a STEM activity to teach math and science. We're tying it in with our snowflake poetry and our snowflake Bentley reading. So step 1, let's get started. So first we're gonna take a pipe cleaner and we're gonna go ahead and cut it. So depending on how large your vessel is, how large the mouth of your container is, you're gonna wanna make sure it doesn't touch the sides and it can float. So we don't want these too big. Now a snowflake, my students are learning that snowflakes always have 6 branches. So snowflakes are beautiful, they're delicate, they're unique, no two are alike, and they all have to have 6 branches. So we're gonna make 6 branches. So we've got some math here. We're just taking these little branches, we're folding them over like so. Here we have 6 branches. We just twisted these little guys around each other. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the twine. Any twine will do. I have baker's twine, we're gonna use this. I'm gonna go ahead and securely attach this to the top. All right, so here we have the knot. We just went ahead and tied the knot onto one of the branches, so it looks like so. And then I need to secure the bamboo or the little stick to the very top. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. And the reason that I need this to be wrapped to the top of this bamboo or the skewer is because, again, I need this when it's submerged to be floating. So do you see how I can reel this up or down accordingly to how deep my water is? Okay, now we're gonna make a solution out of boiling water and borax. My solution is going to be a 1/3 cup borax to 2 cups boiling water. So again, a 1/3 cup borax to 2 cups boiling water. We're just gonna pour a 1/3 cup. We're gonna add it to our vessel. And again, you can even do a large pot or bowl and have multiple snowflakes, have all of your children or many students share a container. So this is 2 cups boiling water. It's really hot. Only the moms are touching the hot water. We're gonna go ahead and stir this solution. Right now, it's hot water dissolving the borax. So the borax is dissolved in the water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this in. And you're gonna wanna make sure that all of the branches, all 6 of the branches are completely submerged. Again, without touching the sides. Perfect. So this looks great. It's not touching, all 6 branches are submerged, and it's gonna just have a little slumber party here in its container overnight. So we're gonna leave it nice and still, and it's gonna work its magic, and when we come back tomorrow, it's going to crystallize into beautiful snowflakes. So this is a great time to talk about liquids and solids. You can discuss solution with your kiddos at home, all kinds of fun science facts. And when we come back again tomorrow, it will look like this. All snowy white and crystallized, and no two look alike, and they can hang these up in their rooms, or you can have them as ornaments, but a fun and easy craft and science activity all in one. So thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come join our adventure in learning in the Little Red Schoolhouse.